In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Skool.com account permanently. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you know exactly what to do. Let's dive in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Skool website. You can do this easily by typing Skool into your search engine and clicking on the first search result that appears. This will take you directly to the Skool homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. Just enter your usual username and password to gain access. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Look at the top right corner of the page. There, you'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on it and you'll find a drop-down menu. Within this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls to modify your account settings. Once you're in the settings, your next focus should be on the payment methods associated with your account. Click on Payment Methods to explore the different options available. If you have any saved payment methods, you'll notice 3 small dots located below the option to add a new payment method. Click on these 3 dots and you'll see a Remove option. Choose this to remove any existing payment details from the account. This step is essential if you want to ensure all your details are entirely erased from the system. With that done, navigate back to your profile by clicking on your profile icon again. From the drop-down menu, this time select Help Center. The Help Center is where you'll go for any further assistance during the deletion process. In the Help Center, look for the option labeled Contact Support and select that. You'll be given a few choices on the type of support you need. Choose something else to specify that your issue is not listed among the common problems. This will give you the option to type out a message. Here, you should clearly and concisely indicate that you wish to have your account deleted permanently. It's always a good idea to be polite and straightforward in your message to avoid any confusion. Once you've typed your request, you'll see a Send Message button. Click it, and your message will be on its way to Skool's support team. Now, all that's left is to wait for a response from their team, who will typically confirm that your account has been deleted as requested. Remember, the response time may vary, so be sure to check your email for any communication from Skool. And that's it. You've successfully completed all the necessary steps to request the permanent deletion of your Skool account. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes the process as smooth and simple as possible. Thank you for watching and see you next time.